All right, now we've reached the last part of day 5, which is to quickly show you how to install widgets on your website. So for this, it is again a practical exercise. We will show you how to install the Facebook chat widget onto your website and other widgets. So let me swap the screen to to Facebook to show you how it basically or generally looks like. All right, the place to find the chat widget is basically the Meta Business Suite. So it is a bit confusing sometimes to actually find where it is. So from time to time, Facebook or Meta does change the position or place where they place these tools. So depending on when, again, you do this, it doesn't matter where it is per se because it will change when the time or possibly when you do it. But what you need to look out for is the chat plugin. To do this, explore the Meta Business Suite and look for the chat plugin. So the chat plugin, I've gotten the page for the chat plugin here, is to, and first of all, you need a business account. I believe you need to set up a business account. And so you just follow the prompts in Facebook. After you have set up your business page, you have access to, I believe, business page. Then you have access to these business tools. With the business tools, what you do is to go to under inbox settings, go to chat plugin and click on setup. And so setup, you want to just go for standard because we're not using any of the other apps. We're using Groove. So we use save and continue. And we want to add a domain. We add the domain, which is with the 5 days build my website challenge. So let me just get that address. It's 5 days build my website challenge.com. And just click on add domain. Save and continue. So again, this is a copy and paste exercise, which I'm very sure you could do. Messenger chat plugin code, you just copy the code, go to next, and it actually tells you to paste the code directly after the opening body tag on each web page where you want the chat plugin to appear. So for this, you have to go back to your Groove Pages app, and let me switch to the Groove Pages app right now. And in the Groove Pages app, you go under, again, site settings if you want the widget to appear on every single page of your website, or if you just want the chat widget to appear on just one of the pages, then you would go to page settings. So for this demonstration, I'll just publish it on the site settings so that all the pages will have this messenger code. And so I'll go under tracking codes, and I believe it said install it at the body opening. Let's just put it here. I have installed it at the bottom before. It also works. So let's just do this according to the instructions earlier on. Save it and remember to publish it. Because we are publishing the code on every single page of the website, let us publish every single page under publish website. So just give it some time to publish itself. And if it's done correctly, then you will see the Facebook chat box. And the Facebook or Meta Messenger chat box is entirely configured in Facebook or Meta itself. So sometimes if this happens, it means that it is publishing. You have to refresh it or click on publish again. This is just when you are publishing it. As you are involving many sites, this could happen. It's nothing to be alarmed about. Just click on publish again and just let the pages publish. All right. And so the colors of the messenger will be configured within Facebook, so you can change it. I'll show it to you in a moment. You can change it to yellow, whatever color you want, depending on what is your brand. And remember that trick I showed you on Canva. If you have your brand colors, you can get the exact hex code of your brand and copy and paste that color so that your messenger box actually displays according to the color of that box. So if it's done properly, you can see here that it has appeared. The widget, the chat widget, appears on the bottom right. And if you click on it, then I can start a chat with myself. I'm over here. And this is such a powerful tool because if you have a customer who wishes to buy something from you or clarify something, they can send you a message and you can, within a few minutes, give them the answer. In this way, you can save the sale or get your customers, give them a really great customer experience because you can answer their questions right away. So this is a very useful tool that I recommend that you include on your website, on your professional brand or company website. Okay, so that's how you configure, or this is how you publish your chat. Just copy and paste it into the tracking code section, copy and paste. And let me just now quickly go back to the Facebook page so that I can show you quickly about how you can configure the style of the messenger button. Now back at Facebook's chat plugin inbox settings, after you have done and published the code to your page, copy and paste, click on finish, and your chat plugin is ready, as we have seen. Go done, and that's it. So you can actually, as I explained here, you can change the color to whichever hex code. So find out what is your brand's color, and so this is the color which I had put in. So if I wanted to change it to green, to blue, whatever color that I want to choose, I can do it. So let me just put it back so it doesn't change anything. Okay, and you can, again, it's self-explanatory. You can let it appear as a text only. Once it's minimized as a chat, or you can have it with the icon of the chat, or you can have the icon only with the chat. So it depends on what is the style that you want. Prominence, you can have a button and greeting, chat plugin window. So it depends on how you want it to appear. This is all self-explanatory. You can decide it is a matter of style. There's no right or wrong. Alignment, you can have it appear on the right side of the page, left side of the page, and click on publish so that the changes will be automatically on your website. You don't even have to copy and paste it again. All the changes that you have here will automatically appear on your website. Now let's just go to the last part, which is to install the share widget. Let me show you how to install the share widget on your website. And as you may have guessed, it's a simple copy and paste function, copy and paste exercise. And let me show it to you right now how it's done.